How to fix Instagram black screen. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram black screen easily and fast. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone, and after that on this page all what you have to do is scroll down and go to the apps manager. After you go to the apps manager, now here on this page you will find many apps as you can see right here. Let's wait a few seconds. As you can see, those are all the apps that I have on my phone. Just search for Instagram and then click on it. After you click on Instagram, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do here is very simple. First thing, click on this option. This option, it's the force stop option, and then click here on storage, and then click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back to the settings again, and this time click on the wireless and networks. Now go to the airplane mode and enable it, and then disable it again, and do the same thing with the Wi-Fi. Enable it and disable it again, and then restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved easily and fast. If it did not good if this problem didn't solve for you, then all what you have to do is go to the Play Store and search for Instagram, and then click on update right here to update your application. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.